When most folks think of prepping, they jump straight to weapons or water filters. But there's a crucial piece that often gets overlooked: food. It's easy to assume you'll always have something to eat, but in a real emergency, that's rarely the case. Here's the truth. If your food runs out or spoils, your survival plan crumbles. You can have all the gear in the world, but without calories, your energy, focus, and morale will vanish fast. From deep in the wild to a blackout at home, food is the weak link that can take you down first. Hunger doesn't care if you're in the city or the woods. It hits hard and fast, and it's relentless. That's why today, I'm drilling into the 12 no-cook survival foods you need when the grid goes down, ranked by caloric punch, shelf life, and ease of use. These aren't just random snacks. They're your lifeline when cooking isn't an option. Every item is fact-checked. No myths, just survival facts. I've dug into government guidelines and real-world experience so you don't have to guess what works. You'll learn which pantry staple can poison you raw, and I'll bust the biggest myth about peanut butter's shelf life. Plus, I'll share tips on how to store these foods safely for the long haul. Whether you're a seasoned prepper or just starting out, stick with me for a rock-solid plan to keep your body fueled when the lights go out. Preparation isn't just for experts. Anyone can do this with the right knowledge. Let's get ready. The wild doesn't wait, and neither should you. Your survival starts with what you put on your shelf today. For pure survival power, oil-packed sardines are at the top. Each can deliver over 200 calories, mostly from healthy fats and protein, dense, fast energy when you need it most. Sardines last up to 5 years unopened, thanks to the sealed oil that locks in freshness. No can opener needed. Just peel and eat, bones and all, for a calcium boost. They're loaded with vitamin D, B12, and omega-3s to keep your mind sharp and immune system strong. The only downside? They're salty, so ration your water. For survival efficiency, sardines are a winner every time. Pre-cooked canned beans are a prepping classic, loaded with plant protein, complex carbs, and fiber. Unlike dry beans, canned beans are ready to eat straight from the tin. No heating, no hassle. One can pack around 350 calories and up to 20 grams of protein. They're filling, cheap, and last up to 2 years if stored cool and dry. Spoon them straight from the can, mix with other foods, or mash with oil or seasoning. Watch for sodium. Choose low-salt varieties or rinse if you can. For no-cook protein, beans are hard to beat. Raw honey is the ultimate shelf-stable food. Archaeologists have found jars still edible after thousands of years. Its natural enzymes and low water content give it antimicrobial properties and an almost indefinite shelf life. Honey is pure, quick energy, perfect for a fast boost. It's also a natural wound dressing in a pinch. Store honey airtight and away from moisture. If it crystallizes, just stir. It's still good. Use honey to supplement other foods, but don't rely on it alone. For no cooked calories, honey is liquid gold. Hardtack, flour, water, salt, baked, rock hard, has kept explorers alive for centuries. Its dryness makes it nearly immune to spoilage if kept away from moisture and pests. Properly stored, it can last decades, making it a favorite among preppers. Each square is dense with carbs, ideal paired with fat or protein like sardines or nut butters. Store in airtight containers, vacuum sealed if possible. If you have water, soften it. Otherwise, eat as is. Just mind your teeth. Think of it as the original energy bar, worth practicing with before you need it. Peanut butter is a prepper staple. Calorie-dense, portable, and no cooking required. But most people overestimate its shelf life. Sealed jars last about a year, maybe 18 months if stored cool and dry. After that, fats can go rancid, even if it looks fine. Peanut butter packs nearly 190 calories per 2 tablespoon serving. Quick energy, keeps you full. Stick with commercial, sealed jars. Natural butters spoil faster. Rotate your stock and check for off smells. Rancid nut butter loses nutrition and tastes foul. Include it as a high-energy, no-cook option, but don't rely on it for the long haul. Canned chicken and tuna are classic emergency foods, packed with lean protein, low in carbs, and ready to eat. Shelf life is 2 to 5 years if cans are undamaged. Each can delivers 20 to 25 grams of protein, helping preserve muscle and keep you full. Eat them plain, mix with beans, or pair with dried fruit for variety. Watch the sodium. If water is scarce, moderate your intake. Always check for bulging or damaged cans. When in doubt, throw it out. For ready, no-cook protein, canned meats are hard to beat. Cheese can be a survival food if you pick the right kind. Shelf-stable cheeses like waxed cheddar or processed spreads last months, even years, if kept cool and sealed. Waxed cheese is especially handy. The coating protects against mold and moisture. Cheese is calorie-dense, satisfying, and a great morale booster. Pair with hardtack, canned meats, or dried fruit for a balanced, no-cook meal. Keep it cool. If it gets too warm, even shelf-stable cheese can spoil. Dried fruit is a concentrated source of energy, vitamins, and fiber. Raisins, apricots, apples, and bananas offer over 100 calories per handful and last up to a year if sealed and cool. Go for unsweetened, unsulfured varieties. Added sugars aren't needed if you store them right. The natural sugars give quick energy, while fiber keeps your system moving. Lightweight and ideal for bug-out bags. Dried fruit pairs well with nuts, cheese, or jerky. It's calorie-dense, so ration wisely. Store airtight and rotate every 6-12 months for best nutrition. Jerky is one of the oldest survival foods. Concentrated protein, lightweight, and no refrigeration needed. Commercial jerky lasts up to 2 years if vacuum-packed and dry. About 10 grams of protein per ounce, ready to eat or crumble into other foods. Great for cold or wet conditions, but jerky is salty. Too much can dehydrate you if water is scarce. Use as a supplement, not your only food source. Commercial brands are more consistent for shelf life and safety. Always check for spoilage. If it smells off, toss it. Emergency ration bars are engineered for crisis situations. Compact, calorie-dense, and designed to keep you going when regular meals aren't an option. Each bar delivers 400 to 600 calories per serving, offering balanced nutrition with essential vitamins and minerals, and requires absolutely no preparation. Just open and eat. Trusted brands like Daytrex or SOS last 5 years or more, meeting strict Coast Guard and FEMA standards for emergency food supplies, so you know you're getting reliability. Bars are pre-portioned for easy rationing, immune to temperature swings, and lightweight, making them perfect for bug-out bags, car kits, or emergency drawers at home. They're not gourmet, and the taste is intentionally plain, but they cover your nutritional bases in a pinch and keep you fueled when it matters most. Don't rely only on bars for long-term survival. They're best as a backup or supplement to a more varied emergency food supply, alongside canned and dried foods. Store them in a cool, dry place, away from sunlight, and check expiration dates annually to ensure freshness and readiness. Sealed bars outlast most pantry foods, making them a smart long-term investment for any prepper or anyone wanting peace of mind in uncertain times. Canned vegetables are a critical part of any survival pantry. Fiber, vitamins, and minerals you won't get from just protein and carbs. Green beans, carrots, peas, and beets last up to 5 years if stored cool and dry. No cooking required, just open and eat. The canning process makes veggies safe and easy to digest. Packing liquid can be used for hydration or flavoring. Rotate stock regularly and inspect cans for bulges or leaks. Don't neglect your veggies. They're more important than most realize. White rice is a survival staple. Cheap, calorie-dense, and able to last for decades if kept dry and sealed away from moisture and pests. It's a food that's found in nearly every emergency pantry, valued for its long shelf life and the energy it provides in tough times. But never eat rice raw. It can harbor dangerous bacteria and lectins that cause serious illness, including food poisoning and digestive distress. Eating uncooked rice can lead to nausea, vomiting, or even more severe health problems. especially when your body is already stressed. Only eat rice if you can boil it thoroughly, even if you have to use minimal fuel or improvise with basic equipment. Cooking destroys harmful pathogens and makes the rice safe and digestible. In true no-cook scenarios, rice is best used for barter or as a last resort if you can soak and ferment it for several days, but this method is risky and not recommended unless you have no other options. Rice is survival gold for its shelf life and versatility, but only if you can make it safe to eat by cooking or proper preparation. Always plan to store rice alongside foods you can eat straight from the package, so you're never left hungry if you can't cook. Every claim in this video is sourced. Every shelf life number checked against FEMA, USDA, and hard science. No rumors, no guesswork. I've lived these lessons in the wild, and every food here has earned its place through real world. Let me know if you need further tightening or want to adjust the word count.